Yeah, good morning, everyone. And today, I want to, from this week on, I will start some sort of short video training for all of us, especially people that are using my software, so that you can see what is going on in my brain, what is going on in my mind when I'm placing trades. So especially for those of us that have little capital like 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, they are so little. This kind of money, if you don't understand some basic things, you eventually going to lose that money to the forex market. So in that case, what I'm going to do is I want to be doing short videos once or twice in a week. You watch these videos and it's gonna guide you on how to use the software if you have a small capital. But for those of us that have 10,000 cents, 20,000 cents, we can put our software in auto mode, because cents, you can't be so much wasting time to sit on a cent account. So this is the purpose of this video. Now there's a site called investing.com. That is where I look at what people say about a particular asset, and if I want to trade the asset, it give me the decision to do so. Now I'm going to start from the site is investing.com. Then the first thing I want to do is I want to check what I want to trade. I trade golds with a little money I want to do. I have in my account, and I trade currency alone. I can't trade indices. I don't dare go to indices because I have small or little capital to save. So now I'm going to click on commodity. Let me click on gold. Right click on it and open another page because I want to trade gold. Then I'm going to come here. Then here, this is the gold contract. I want to check what are the view of the traders on that gold today, and we can see that gold is strong buy in 1 hour. Let me see, daily is strong buy daily, and 5 hours is strong buy. So instead for you to come to your chart and started putting, you can see my chart is always naked chart. Instead for you to come here and started putting a lot of indicators is not a priority for you to win a trade. I won't lie to you guys, and it's going to be stressing you. So come here. Now the summary here is all the indicator that you want to check. It's already here, that's been checking, and final decision has been made by more professionals than me and you. So now let's see, it's a strong buy, and we look at RSI has been talking about stochastic, that analyze everything for us. So, and the decision of all this, you see this moving average 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, and the summary is buy. And if you look at these technical indicators, that is why they concluded that gold is going to be strong buy. Then I want to see for how long. In 1 hour I have a strong buy, 5 hours I have a strong buy, daily I have a strong buy. So it's most likely gold is going to be in buying direction. This, let me tell you, there's no 100% forecasting in forex, but what I'm going to do now is going to give me higher probability of winning trades. You understand? So that is the gold. Then let me now see, let me go to forex. Now let's try to see forex and see what you can see. Euro USD strong buy, pounds USD strong buy, USD Japanese yen strong buy, and Australian dollar strong buy, Canadian dollar sell. You see all this one too has been analyzed for us. We can let me try to check some of them. I just opened the new chart. This is where I do all my analysis, guys. There's nothing hidden. We are learning, all of us. So now let me come to technical analysis for pounds USD, and let us see why the strong buy. You see, in 1 hour is neutral. That means I will not take this one serious. 5 hours is selling, and daily is neutral. So definitely I will never go to trade pounds USD today, because it's a mixed reaction. You can see. Now comparing to gold, look at gold. Let me come back to gold again. Let me show us. In 1 hour strong buy, 5 hours strong buy, daily strong buy. So that doesn't mean it's going to go buy, but at least I have the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. Now let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD technical analysis. We come back there. Then 1 hour neutral, 5 hours selling, daily buying. You can see mixed reaction in all this. So definitely I'm going to go for gold. So now what I'm going to do is to come to the server, my server. That means I want to trade gold today, and this is gold. This is gold here. So I'm not trading pounds today, so I'm going to delete the charts. Good. Now I'm left with gold, you know. So here, this is my Agent Pro. In this account, I have $9,933, which can still at least pull up. Now, yesterday we did, in yesterday's webinar, I spoke about this. And I'm going to implement that now. Because I have small money, I'm going to use 3 for my maximum martingale level. And my first risk level, I'm going to put here to be 2. And I'm putting this one to be $1. Emergency take profit. Hedging distance for gold, I normally use 500. And starting hour, I'm starting now, and I want to close. This is I think this is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, or let me put 8 o'clock. Broker's time. I don't know, but I'm going to start now. So and when do I want to end this trade? I want to end this trade 1 o'clock in the evening, during the time of London overlapping US. I explained this in the webinar yesterday, so you must know the reason why I'm going to stop trading by 1 o'clock. Then my magic number, I want to put 1 here. Manual confirmation, I'm going to put it false. But if at all I put it false, when it is 3 o'clock, when it's 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. today, the software will stop trading and manage all the trading. Then I put this one true. And I want to make, because of 50 pips and 0.01, I can say, okay, I want to make $3 profit on this. Yeah, let me say $3 profit on this direction trade. Then let me save these settings for gold. Then let me say goodbye. Good. Then what do? I place a trade. Then I'm going to on my auto trade. Then what happened? Okay, let me see. Come on. Yes, I didn't allow live trade, and I'm going to allow live trade now. And you see, it has placed the first trade. Then I'm going to come back here and repeat the same thing. Then I'm going to come to input. I'm going to load that settings, which is buy, but remember this is sell chart, so I'm going to change this place to sell. So I have maximum like martingale. Because of my capital, I'm using 3. Risk level, I'm using 2, and emergency profit, I'm using $1. Hedging distance, I'm using 500 pips. When you use 500 pips, it's 50 pips in gold. Then here, and here I use the timing there, and my magic number should be 2 here. Then everything remained the same. Then I'm going to say save. Then I'll save it as gold sell. Then I'm going to say okay. So now trade has started, and that is how I placed the trades today on there. Then I'm going to go to another account here. I want to repeat the same thing because I've analyzed it in the previous trade. I'm not going to trade I'm going to trade gold here as well. This is another broker. This is a South African broker, and I'm trading in rand in this account. So I'm going to close all the charts. These are the charts I traded last week. So I'm going to close all of them to avoid confusion. So good. Then what am I going to do? As I put the something here, I load. Let me see if I have a preset for gold. Okay, I have, but let me see what kind of settings that is there. No, I can't use 10. I'm going to use 3. Yeah, and I'm going to use 50 pips. I want to close this trade. I want to start at 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going to close it when overlapping New York market has come through play. You see, that is minor confirmation for us, but when it is 3 o'clock, when it is 1 o'clock, the software here, I'm going to change this one to $3, then save it again as a preset. I'm going to use it as gold buy, then I overwrite the old one and I'm saying okay. Then I'm going to release auto trade. So okay, the same thing happened here. The software doesn't smile, so definitely I've not activated here, so it's okay. You can see we have placed our trade and everything seems like okay. Then I come to this place as well, the second chart. I'm going to load the buy and say okay. You know, that's why it's good to do presets. You know, preset make it faster. Then I'm coming to sell the chart. Everything remains the same except I need to change the magic number of the second chart to 2. Then I leave everything like that. Then I say save it as gold sell. Then okay. Then I say okay. Then you can see, and I'm done for the day. I need to go and do other business that I used to do and leave this to run till 1 o'clock. So I think with this kind of videos, everybody will understand why I'm doing what I'm doing. If you have small capital, this is 23,000 rand in this account, and that is about $1,500. You understand? So that is how we are. I'm going to that's what I want to do today, analyze the market like that and place a trade. So I wish all of us a successful trading week, but we'll still meet later to discuss this trade. Did you see what happened? The first trade has closed. Thank God we are still in the market. You see, the first trade has closed. The software has closed it because they say something like a spike, and I've made the first $3 profit. I've made it. This is how the software is going to trade till 1 p.m. and 1 p.m. is stop trading. So thank you very much and bye bye. Thank you for your time.